Yes, listen students. So in the previous class we saw the chapter 7 stock exchange, topic 7.6 types of speculators. That is in page number 54 in our textbook. So the types of speculators are 4 types. Out of 4 types, we saw 2 types in the previous day, that is bull and the bear. The remaining 2 speculators named as stake and the lambda. Now we are going to see. Stake is a cautious speculator in the stock exchange. Stake is a cautious speculator in the stock exchange. He applies for shares in the new companies. He applies for shares in new companies. And he expected to sell the shares at a premium when he gets or if he gets allotment. He applied shares for new companies. He wanted to sell or he expected to sell the shares when he gets allotment of shares on the respective company. So he select the company's shares whose shares are having more demand. Suppose he applied for 2 or more companies, he has to select those companies which has whose shares are having more demand. Then he sell the shares before they call for payment, call to pay the allotment money. Sell the shares before they call to pay the allotment money. Then sell the shares at a premium means the shares can be sold by 3 days. Sold at par value, sold at a discount and sold at a premium. When the speculator sells the share at the same value of the share. Suppose the value of share is 10 rupees. When he sells the share in the same 10 rupees means it is called as sold at par. Suppose if he sold less than the face value, that is rupees 8, that means sold at a discount. Suppose he sold this share for rupees 12, then it is said to be called as premium. If the cautious speculator sell the share on the face value means no profit, no loss. If he sell the share at discount means 2 rupees loss. And if he sell the shares for rupees 12, it will be called as profit. So he expects to sell the shares at a premium. So that is why he is called as premium hunter. The profit goes to the hands of the cautious speculator called the premium, so that he is called as premium hunter. So I repeat once again about the stake is a 3rd type of speculator in the stock exchange. Stake is a cautious speculator in the stock exchange. He applies the shares in the new company. If he gets allotment, he is expected to sell them at a premium. Then he select the companies, those companies which having more demand. And he sell the shares before they call to pay the allotment money. Once the company call to pay the allotment money, he has to pay the allotment money. But before they call for allotment money, he has to sell the shares. So that he is called as premium hunter. So that he is a 3rd type of speculator in the stock exchange. Then 4th type, lame duck. Who is called as lame duck? When a bear speculator, when a bear finds too difficult to fulfill his commitment, then he is said to be struggling like a lamb duck. That means when the bear finds too difficult to fulfill his commitment, he is said to be struggling. In such a situation, the bear as a speculator is called a lamb duck. A bear speculator contract to sell, make a contract to sell the securities at a later date. So lamb duck is a speculator who contract to sell the securities at a later date or at a future date. At appointed time or appointed date, he is unable to get the securities. He is at the appointed date, he is unable to get the securities as the holders are not willing to take part with them. The holders are not willing to take part with them. In such a situation, he feels as concerned. In such a situation, he is called as, he feels as a concern, or otherwise called a lamb duck. So he is unable to do anything. In such a case, in such a situation, he feels as a concern. Moreover, the buyer is not willing to carry out the transaction. The buyer is not willing to carry over the transaction. So this is known as lamb duck. So when a bear finds too difficult to fulfill his commitment, he is unable to do anything, just like he is struggling like a lamb duck. When a bear speculator make a contract to sell the securities at a future date or at a later date, but on the appointed date or time, he is unable to get the securities as the holders are not willing to take part with them. In such a situation, the lamb duck as a speculator lamb duck, he feels as a concern or lamb duck. Moreover, the buyer is not willing to carry over the transactions. So this is known as, or he is known as lamb duck. So with the end of the types of speculators. I told you there are 4 types of speculators named as bull, bear, stag and lamb duck. So we saw on the previous day the first 2 types, namely bull and bear. The third speculator name is stag. He is a cautious speculator. And the fourth one is lamb duck. Lamb duck is a speculator when he finds it difficult, when a bear finds it difficult to fulfill his commitment, struggling as a lamb duck. So we get end of the types of speculators. The next topic is the differentiation between the stock exchange and commodity exchange. So that we will see in the next class. This is 7.6.